Okay, YouTubers, what I have here is the first generation of the Iron Cobra pedals. I got these pedals about back in probably 2000 or 2001 when the first generation came out, which they came like on a gray box. So these are the first generation. I've done a couple of alterations to it. Since I got these pedals, I was not a double pedal bass player, so it was a tough transition. I was pretty much a single pedal and heel toe. One of the things that I did to it, this chain, I removed one of the links to make the bore higher. And also what I recently did is I changed the rolling glide, this one right here, on the master pedal to a power glide. And this is the older generation of the newest one that came out, which is these ones, which are older, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace them. I am going to be replacing the cam on these pedals because I have tried the power glides, the new ones, and I like the glide that the pedal has with this angle that is right here on the cam. So I like that glide that it gives the pedal, and my feet adapt to it quite well. So let's get started. Let's see which size this is. I'm not too sure. Let me try the 5. Yes, it is. So first what you do is you want to remove the spring tension assembly. We want to do that. We want to do that on both sides. Okay. So now keep those handy. Don't lose them. Now I'm going to remove the beaters. Remove that guy. Just to take extra weight off of them. Now we need to remove these hex screws, which are, I believe, the metric, I think it's a 5/64s. Yes, it is. So let's loosen those up. They don't have to come all the way out. That's also important. If you take them all the way out, it's very easy to lose those. So once that's done, I'm gonna grab the pedal, slant it to the side, and here comes the bearings. So I'm gonna put those in the same box right here with my stuff. And now that this is loose, I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Give it a shake. Okay, this one might need the screw to be loosened some more. Let's do that a little bit more. Come on, there it is. So bring that over here. Now, here comes the tricky part. In order to take this assembly out, you're gonna have to loosen these screws right here so that you can slide these parts back and forth so that you'll be able to pretty much pull the rod out, and then this assembly would pretty much, fall apart. Now for that one, I think it's the in the standard, it's a 3. So yes, it's a 3. So I'm gonna loosen this guy up. In case you guys don't know, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so it's the same thing. There we go. Again, these don't have to come out all the way out. So now that that's loose, I'm just gonna pull it out, and boom, there it is. I have disassembled my double bass pedal. Now, very important that this rod has the markings where the cam goes. So this cam, this particular one has a single screw. Now this one has 2 screw markings, and that's because of the original cam that I had here before. So it's important to know that, so that when you put your new cams back in, you want to put the screw to be in one of these 2 positions. And if it's not in one of these 2 positions, your cam may be a little too further back or too further forward. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this guy right here, which is the P900. Now I'm gonna go get some bearings that I also ordered for these guys. So pause the video and continue on to the next one.